Do you need quality plumbing repairs in Fort Lauderdale, Florida? Choose a respected local Broward County plumbing company that can quickly solve your residential or commercial plumbing emergencies like Douglas Orr Plumbing. Having won the Angie's List Super Service Award consistently since 2007. They believe that using a family approach, strong work ethic, and fair pricing are the best ways to operate. Their skilled technicians are licensed, insured, and equipped to fix your plumbing problems and maintenance needs 24/7. Their plumbers fix your problems for a fraction of the cost when compared to larger franchises that use flat rate pricing. Contact them today for a free estimate and take advantage of their 10% discount coupon. For more information, visit their website at www.orrplumbingfortlauderdale.com or call them at 1-800-DOUG-ORR.